And this tournament doesn't represent only teams qualifying to go up to the higher standard, but it represents young girls who have always worked hard, who have dreamt of big dreams, and them having the platform to be here. I think it shows how far we've come, and it also shows how much women have fought to be able to have not only just women in this room, but also to have men journalists coming to cover women's football. So we thank you so much for that. This competition is more than just the women earning a trophy in the end, but it's also going to raise the new generation of women footballers who hopefully one day be nominated as the best in the FIFA competitions.